How to start a small business working from home, Entrepreneurship 101. Many women oftentimes dream of owning and growing their own businesses for so many different reasons. I bet you can definitely tell me a few, such as financial freedom, legacy, or simply because of the fact that they want to have the chance to be able to create products or services that can help their customer base. So I am super excited to be able to serve you once again and share with you the processes of starting your own dream business so that you can finally move forward and begin to create legacy just the way that I know you want to be able to do so. Hey there, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. Tamia Dawkins here. If you've never seen my face before, and I would love to invite you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because on my channel we talk about all things connected to living the intentional lady life so that you can build a bomb business and an intentional life that I know that you'll absolutely love. Why? Because of the fact that you built it. Do me a favor, be sure to hit that big red subscribe button, because this is going to be one of the foundational videos in my Entrepreneurship 101 series, and I don't want you to miss it. By subscribing, you'll get updates on when the next video will drop. In today's video, I'm going to be able to share with you my foundational step-by-step plan that you need to be able to put into place to get your business rolling. I'm going to have the chance to be able to teach you how to brainstorm your business name. Let's go ahead and get into it. So many upcoming aspiring business owners want to be able to move forward in their business building with what I call puzzle pieces. These puzzle pieces are different pieces of their business that they want to go ahead and literally put into place so that their business becomes a whole vision. Now, quickly before we go ahead and dive into you finding out what your business name is going to be, that is super important. It's also important to realize that by you naming your business a particular name, your business is going to have the opportunity to be able to attract your potential clients or customers. Your business name will help these clients and customers to be able to identify your business, and then they will have the chance to make a decision on whether or not they want to go ahead and support the vision that you've created by becoming a customer or a client. So this is absolutely a very important step in the whole business building game. But while it is important, you must remember that you have the power as the lady CEO to be able to tweak this particular part of your business in the future as your business grows. So in order to finally obtain your business name, you're gonna of course have to brainstorm, and I believe that these next few tips are gonna help you to be able to do just that. So number one, in order to be able to brainstorm your business name so that you can have it down, you know what your business is gonna be called so that you can get the ball rolling, it's important that you connect your business name to the purpose of your business. If you notice, there are several businesses that you can find that connect to that particular business's purpose. Now, a particular client or potential customer has the ability to be able to really pick your business out of the millions of businesses that are all around the country by being able to connect to the purpose in your business. So by you just really sitting down and sitting with yourself, sitting with your business idea, you have the opportunity to create a business name that absolutely, without the shout of a doubt, connects to the purpose of your business. Now, also in this process, you want to be able to allow for your mind to wander. Sometimes we overcomplicate this process and we really do not enjoy it. You want to be able to create a storyline as you come up with your business name so that when you sit in networking events, or let's say you even do your first TED Talk, you have the opportunity to be able to help people to connect to the process and to the story that was created when you allow for your mind to wander in the process of brainstorming your business name. Next, in order to help with this process of you discovering or brainstorming what your business name is going to be, you want to make sure that you are doing research within your particular industry. You do not have to take a shot into the dark. All you have to do is literally research what exactly is going on with your particular targeted audience. What are they like? What are they into? What inspires your audience? And then connected to that, you also want to know what your particular competitors are doing as well. And through this process, you'll have the opportunity to then be inspired to create a name that will connect right away to your particular targeted audience. Next, you're going to go through the process of filtering the different ideas that you have for your business name. Now, it's important for you to know what you like versus what you don't like. So you don't want to get stuck in the rat race of trying to figure out this business name and just trying to kind of get it done, because this is going to be your business name. This is going to be the name that you consistently have to articulate to different people and potentially have to put on your different products. Let's say you have a particular product that you're selling. It's important that you are sure about this business name, because it's almost like naming your baby. If you name your baby and your child has the opportunity to get their birth certificate, you can't just turn around and unname your child when you name them. And I think a lot of business owners and entrepreneurs look at their companies the same way. If I name my baby or my company a particular name, I want to know that it's something that I absolutely enjoy saying, and I want to know that it is something that other people will enjoy getting to know as well. Next, you're gonna go ahead and do it, and that is name your business. We don't, once again, want to make this a long, drawn out process. And like I mentioned before, you have the chance to be able to really connect with this business name in the future as your company grows and as it is thriving. And what you'll find is that you have the chance to potentially change it, or maybe even put a DBA in place so that your business can have an additional name. Now, I want to go ahead and make this whole process of creating an amazing business or even a business name super duper easy for you. I want to help you to be able to put the puzzle pieces together. You're not going to be building this business through Google alone. I'd love to be able to connect you to my 42-page ebook. I know exactly, I'm telling you, what it's like to build a business scouring through Google, or either trying to, as I've said several times, trying to put the puzzle pieces together. So I went ahead and I created this ebook as a labor of love so that you will be able to walk through the steps of building your business with total ease. You have the opportunity to be able to grab the Lady Boss Online Business Blueprint in the description down below. All right, beautiful. There's one more thing that I absolutely and totally have to let you know, and that is I believe in you. Do me a favor, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button so that you'll know when the next video in my Entrepreneurship 101 series is coming out, so that you can build a bomb and dream business that I know that you'll absolutely love. I'll see you again here soon, beautiful. Ciao. On a month-to-month basis. And so what that stat tells me is that entrepreneurship is definitely